Struggling to translate your WordPress event pages into your own language? In this video, we'll show you how to use Loco Translate with Eventin, so you can easily localize buttons, forms, and other texts without touching any code. First, install and activate the Loco Translate plugin. Then, go to Settings, General. Scroll down to the Site Language section and choose your preferred language from the drop-down. Then click Save Changes. As you can see, the WordPress dashboard and settings are now shown in your selected language. Next, head over to the Plugins section under Loco Translate. You'll see a list of all the plugins installed on your site. Click on Eventin, then click the New Language button. Choose your desired language and the file location. Once set, click on Start Translating. Now let's translate a CTA button from the event page. Go back to the Loco Translate editor. Paste the button text in the search field to find the string, then provide the translated version. Save your changes. Refresh the event page, and yes, it works. The button is now translated. Now let's translate strings from Eventin Pro. This time, we'll update a backend string. Follow the same steps. And yes, the translation shows correctly. If you want to modify or revert any translation, go back to Loco Translate, select the plugin, and click on the language you edited. Make your changes and save. Also, remember this, by clicking the Sync button, you can sync all the strings from the plugin with Loco Translate. This helps make sure everything is up to date. That's how you can use Loco Translate with Eventin to translate any part of your site, easily and accurately. We hope this quick tutorial helped. Don't forget to follow us on social and subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching.